Today, Richard Branson and his latest project, the Launcher One satellite program, which essentially is him launching rockets from the underside of a 747 and supposedly putting satellites in low Earth orbit. But we're going to have a look at Richard's little project here, and we're going to highlight the obvious problems yet again. So let's have a quick look at the launch.
Release.
Copy release.
EST is ignited. Right. MCC switched to S-band.
Again, just want you to take note of the horizon. Okay, of course we've just been dropped from a 747, so we're approximately 35,000 feet here, okay? You kind of get the gist. I'm going to fast forward this a bit now.
Confirm Newton 3 engine startup.
Successful stage set.
So we've just had second stage separation, okay?
Switching to Baja ground station.
Again, I want you to take note of that curve there, okay?
We are now officially in
on
space.
Baja ground station.
So the chap there has just said we're officially in space, which is what, approximately 330,000 feet, just over 60 miles, I believe, okay?
Newton 4 startup complete.
As we switch forward to our payload cameras, that was an amazing view from our aft camera there, actually seeing the curvature of the Earth. We are in space.
Did you hear what he said? That was an amazing view, showing the curvature of the Earth. We are in space. And what we've
Camera there.
Newton 4 startup.
We were looking at that view on the right hand side. The problem is, my old mate, Mr. Commentator, we were seeing the same amount of curvature from 35,000 feet. You didn't mention it then. Very cunning indeed. So the camera, the results of the camera, whether it be the lens itself or the fact it's being filmed through a tube, i.e. the rocket, show curvature at lower level, but when the rocket gets at high level, the same amount of curvature, supposed curvature, gets cited as globe evidence as proof of the Earth curve. You see how cunning and naughty all of this is? Bear with me. So here's the shot at 35,000 feet, 6 miles approximately, in the curve. Here's the shot at approximately 62 miles, 330,000 feet, where he said we are in space. You can see the curvature of the Earth. And here's an overlay of both. There's no difference. It's the same amount of supposed curvature. Yet when the rocket goes up high and it shows the same amount of curvature that it did down lower, it then gets cited as globe evidence. Can you see how cunning all of this is? Yes, rockets go up, but demonstrable reality doesn't change because of a firework display. Large standing bodies of water do not have the ability to display convexity upon its surface. Tower cranes do not have the ability to be dead still on a spinning ball. Scientific facts which tell us the globe is nonsense anyway, don't even need to look at this stuff, but they're telling you, space fans, they're showing you, all it needs is a bit of discernment. Why are you letting your bias and your ego overrule common sense? Come on guys, I'm almost at the stage now where I feel these people have to tell us or show us it's a lie. Because in every instance, they are doing so. So I think they have to on some karmic type level. But today it would seem Richard Branson and his latest project have just flattened the globe. And of course, it's obvious for anyone with a bit of discernment, because they're telling us it's nonsense. You just gotta listen.